My name is David Gent. I'm an Airman First Class, and my job is a crew chief.
My name is Giovanni Placencia, Master Sergeant. I am an element lead.
Something I really enjoy about being a crew chief is the hands-on work, getting into it and kind of getting dirty, immersive and personal with the aircraft.
What's it like being an aircraft maintainer? If I had to put it all in one word, it'd be rewarding. Rewarding. I've traveled to places I would not have traveled if it wasn't for my position.
The day-to-day life as a crew chief can vary. Some days are super easy with just going out and doing your pre-flight inspections, and other days are super chaotic when things start to break unexpectedly. But overall, it's a very hands-on, immersive experience, from changing tires, changing panels, and even getting up inside of the aircraft and getting dirty.
If somebody wanted to join this career field, I would tell them they can expect a lot of rewarding, long hours, but a lot of knowledge on the aircraft, a lot of learning, I would say.
Someone that would benefit greatly from becoming a crew chief is someone that likes to work with a team in a fast-paced environment and enjoys being mechanically inclined and likes to get dirty. If you're interested in being a crew chief, I would say absolutely do it. There is a lot to be learned, and there's a vast amount of things that you're able to do, and you'll never get bored.